Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to be talking about this next project called STREAMR. But before we do that, make sure to do your own research to figure out this project is for you. So we're going to talk about a lot of things today, but I did want to highlight that they do have their bounty campaign. We'll talk about that, which is definitely an exciting way to win some tokens. We'll talk about what STREAMR is, of course. We're going to talk about some of the use cases of STREAMR. I'll put some links so you guys can check this out. They also have some great videos. We'll also check out the team. It's obviously really important to know who's behind the project. We'll check out the roadmap, some of their socials, and of course, I'll try to cover as much as possible, but I'll leave the links in the description for you guys to check out. So let's just jump right into it. STREAMR. So here we are on the website at friends.streamer.network. This is actually the landing page for the bounty campaign. I kind of wanted to go through that, and then we'll check out straight into the website to kind of go through some of the points. But it says, welcome to the Stream team. Every month, hundreds and thousands of data tokens, which is a cool symbol, it's called data, are up for grabs. Register today and start completing easy daily tasks to earn your share. You could actually click, oh my God, count me in right away. But if you actually click some of these, you can learn more about it. They talk about their bounty campaign. It says, by working together, the contest is a great way for streamers to earn more data because teamwork makes dream work. And then it says, points make prizes. Stream team players refer friends, complete daily social media posts, create content, and more. The more data points, the DPs, you win, the more data tokens are paid out every month. Hashtag winning. And then let's get started. If you guys are interested, you connect your wallet. Again, if you guys are interested, like I said, the first step is to go in and click on this, and then you connect your wallet. They have several ways that you can do that, whether it's through the different socials, Web3. Obviously, if you have MetaMask or something like that, you guys can do that. But we'll talk a little bit more about that later on, but I kind of want to let you guys know about that right off the bat. I'll also have my unique URL so you guys can check it out on your own. Okay, so let's just jump right into STREAMR, what STREAMR is. Then we'll obviously talk about the ecosystem, the token, the data token. So the STREAMR, the decentralized real-time data network, create, share, and consume data streams on open, scalable Web3 protocol. They actually have this cool video that kind of like welcomes you, gives you guys like kind of excitement towards what this project is about, but definitely check that out on your own. Power your Web3 stack with real-time communication. So here are some of the features of this: fast and scalable, secure, serverless, and monetize. Sell access to your data streams with composable marketplace smart contracts. And then they kind of talk a little bit about this. And again, this gets very technical. I don't think you guys need to 100% know what this is all about. I think having a general understanding of this, obviously they have some like JS code right here for you to look at. They have the different like languages, etc. You don't have to understand that. That's why I kind of wanted to go through the use cases later on so you guys fully understand what people, if this is not relevant to you, the project might be relevant, interesting to you, but maybe not actually developing. But I wanted to talk about the use cases later on. We'll talk about the tech stack, explore some of the different streams, and then here's some of the, I guess, potential applications that you could have. So it says, truly centralized innovation with real-time data applications enabled for streamers, P2P network and companion blockchain settlement layer, data unions, marketplace, core app, and network explorer. And then they have some more resources for you guys to check out on your own. So here is, I think, a section that is super helpful to kind of grasp what this project is about. It's like what is built on STREAMR and how these practical use cases are. And what the main thing that really interests me about this is that there's these projects that are built on STREAMR are very different from each other. So like, for example, like Pave is building radically simple electric bikes and rethinking how to move people and their data. So from tokens to ownership, bike sharing, and the nodes moving metrics on the STREAMR network and unlocking data monetization for the owners. They're creating the future of personal transport. So the example is that's just one thing versus this one. This is the world's first data union. This one is like the WWF, which is the Worldwide Fund for Nature. Like they have a way, they have an app for fishermen to use the blockchain and verify like catches and traceable data. So that's totally different. They have machine witness, which is machine witness is this is kind of like an electrical vehicle pilot project. But again, my point is that they're very different and they all find different ways to make STREAMR work with their projects. And I think that's really cool. You can actually click into each one of these to actually do look at the case study to take a deeper dive into all this. Obviously, I'm not going to go through each one of these. I just kind of wanted to point out that where STREAMR fits into where these businesses are and help them tap into Web3. And I think that's awesome. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. I think they've done a great job of kind of outlining how they worked with these projects and how they made it so these projects could actually really level up their business and more about the STREAMR network and some of the features of it. You can check out the documentation. They have some really great documentations on their website. Here's like the key concepts that you guys have to understand. So their streams are sequences of timestamp messages delivered from publishers to subscribers by the STREAMR network. The nodes, which are access points to the STREAMR network to connect your applications to streams, your interface with the STREAMR node. And then the data, which is a token, is a cryptocurrency which powers their ecosystem in various ways. It's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. And then again, if you guys want to learn more, maybe this is relevant to you again, or you just want to kind of learn about this. Maybe you want to mine data tokens. They kind of walk you guys through how you can partner with them and what you need to understand about their project and their platform. So that's kind of cool. I do really appreciate how they have all that information kind of just like laid out there for you guys. That's awesome. If you guys want to learn more about the data token specifically, you could check out the chart, explore the tokenomics. You could pretty much see this anywhere. You could check it out on CoinMarketCap to learn more about it. I'll let you guys explore that on your own. And like I said, when you're thinking about this project, the token, you're thinking about really the future of it, obviously where it's been, but also where it's going. And that's why I kind of wanted to talk about, even though the price is whatever the price is now, you have to think about, okay, how is STREAMR working with other projects? How are they partnering with other people and companies, and where are they really headed for the future? And then you put the value into that, regardless of like, okay, the price is X, Y, and Z right now. So another thing that's obviously really important is about the project, about the future of the project, but it's also who is the team behind that. And if you guys want to learn more about that, you guys can. They have their about section. Their team was established in 2017. They have a ton of experience. You can learn more about them. They put what their socials are. They put their links in down there, so you could learn more about them. Obviously, a ton of experience in business, product, obviously crypto, blockchain, but also really community building, which I think is super important. And if you guys want to learn more about the team, check that out on your own. I think that's awesome that they're super transparent with you guys in the community, and you could access them whenever you want to. They also have the project roadmap, and they have a lot of things going on, but I do really appreciate that they're thinking about the future. They have it laid out where, hey, this is where we plan to be in the first half of 2023, even though it's December, but it's not even 2023 yet, and they already have their plans for that. But again, if you guys want to check out some of the things that they've done in the past, again, like I said, they've been active since 2017, whether it's through launches. 2018, they did their marketplace launch. They've done some releases. They've centralized P2P version, all nodes run by STREAMR. Obviously, they've worked with a lot of partners and companies, so they've done their launches for that. But in 2023, they have Tatum. This milestone is finally STREAMR 1.0. Data tokenomics fully deployed. Sponsors create bounties to incentivize brokers. Brokers can mine in-stream with bounties, and then delegators stake on brokers to share revenue. So I do think that's really great that they are really showing you guys the future of it. And again, if you guys want to learn more about it, obviously they have documentation, but another place you can learn about that is their blog. They have a lot of great things kind of talking about things that you can do, how do you guys interact with the project. They do roundups of what they did in the previous month or the current month. They even have like STREAMR awards, which is actually really cool as well. This is cool because they kind of teach you guys, okay, sure, I know what STREAMR is, sounds exciting, but how do I earn with STREAMR? They kind of laid that out for you. You could set up a STREAMR node and stake data. So it's cool. So this is one for the devs and technically minded. So it's easy. All you need is some data to stake, and then Mac, PC, or Raspberry Pi. You could run streamer nodes with Zonaris. Can't code, can't even write a line of HTML. You can set it up. They have some videos on here on how to do that. Win tokens, NFTs, and more with a Stream Team Bounty app. We kind of talked about that earlier. All you have to do is check that out. They even have a specific link to the blog that kind of just walks you through all that. Create a profile, complete some actions, rank up, and then win rewards. And then they also have this says hack right away. If you are a dev and want to build, sign up on the type forum. So giving you guys opportunities depending on your experience and the level of involvement you want to do. Or maybe you think this is relevant for someone else. Feel free to share, join a data union and check that out, or run a pre-research node. So again, lots of different ways for you guys to be involved in this project. I'll put this link in the description too. I thought this was a great article teaching you guys what needs to be done, but I think that's really awesome. But obviously the one that I wanted to highlight today was the bounty program, just because I think this is the newest thing that they've been talking about, and I think it's probably more relevant to majority of you guys out there. It's super simple to get started, and even if you guys are still curious about it, it's just great to at least create a profile, poke around in there, and see what you can do. Some of the things, some of the actions and tasks are super simple, and you could earn right away. So definitely check it out. Again, they also have a YouTube channel which kind of give you guys more information, tutorials on how to do things. Follow them on all their socials. I'll put the link in the description for you guys to check out yourself. But that's STREAMR. Thanks everyone for watching. Catch you guys next time.